Today, we're going to show you how to install the Igloohome Padlock shackle retaining cable. A common use for the shackle retaining cable is attaching the padlock to a gate or to a fence. One of our more common uses is with a lot of our tennis customers. A few items that you will need before we start today. First is our Allen key. Second is something small like a nail file or a pin to remove the retaining pin which is inside the padlock. Now I have a brand new padlock here, so I'll just be using the factory pin number. Now the padlock must be opened to open the back cover. Turn your screw clockwise and remove the back cover. Just here we have a shackle retaining pin. So using one of the items that we showed earlier, we just open there and remove the pin. Now keep that aside because we don't want to lose it. Take the shackle out, and on the large or retained side of the padlock we're going to install our shackle retaining cable. Simply slide that over and it won't be allowed you to take the bend there. Reinstall the padlock, make sure it's almost all the way down but not fully locked. Reinstall our retaining pin, return the back cover on, locking it in place, this time going counterclockwise, and there we have it, the shackle retaining cable fully installed and the lock installed. For any more questions, please contact our team on the details below.